In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to offset a bill and an invoice in Xero accounting software. If you've ever had a situation where a customer is also your supplier, or you simply need to clear amounts between a bill and an invoice without moving actual cash, this is exactly what you need. By the end of this guide, you'll be able to handle these transactions confidently and keep your accounts perfectly balanced. Let's start by navigating to the correct area inside Xero. Once you're logged into your dashboard, look at the top menu and click on the Accounting tab. This section gives you access to all the core financial tools you'll need to manage transactions effectively. From the drop-down menu, select Bank Accounts. Even though we're not dealing with physical cash movement, this is where the reconciliation process takes place, which is key to offsetting transactions properly. Now, choose the bank account where you want to perform the offset. Once you've selected it, click on the Reconcile button. This opens the reconciliation screen where you match transactions recorded in Xero with those from your bank or internal records. Inside the reconciliation page, you'll see a list of transactions waiting to be matched. Your goal here is to locate the transaction that represents the offset between the bill and the invoice. This might be a zero value transaction or a manually entered one depending on how your records are set up. Next to the transaction, you'll see an option called Find and Match. Go ahead and click on that. This is where the real work happens. A list will now appear showing all outstanding invoices and bills. At this stage, carefully review the entries and identify the specific invoice and bill that should offset each other. Take your time here. Accuracy is important to avoid mismatches in your financial records. Once you've found the correct items, tick the checkboxes next to both the invoice and the bill. You'll notice that Xero automatically calculates the total at the bottom. Ideally, the selected amounts should balance out to match the transaction you're reconciling. If everything looks correct, go ahead and click the Reconcile button. This confirms that the selected invoice and bill are being offset against each other. Just like that, both transactions are cleared without any actual cash movement. Now, let's take a moment to understand why this is useful. Offsetting transactions helps maintain clean and accurate records, especially in situations where businesses have mutual dealings. Instead of recording unnecessary payments and receipts, you simplify the process while still keeping everything properly documented. It also makes your reports more meaningful. When your invoices and bills are correctly matched, your outstanding balances reflect the true financial position of your business, which is essential for decision-making. Another helpful tip is always to double-check the amounts before reconciling. Even a small mismatch can cause confusion later, especially during reporting or audits. If something doesn't look right, take a step back and review the transactions before confirming. And there you have it. You've just learned how to offset a bill and an invoice in Xero quickly and efficiently. It's a simple process once you understand where to look and how to match the right transactions. With this skill, you'll be able to keep your accounts cleaner, reduce unnecessary entries, and maintain better control over your financial data. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, be sure to stick around for more practical tutorials to help you master Xero and streamline your bookkeeping workflow.